In this video, we will show you how to replace your outside mirror cover on this Ford Fusion. You'll have two of these, one of them mounted to each of your outside mirrors. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the mirror cover, you're going to find that you do have several locking tabs that are located behind this area. It's a little hard to gain access to them, so what we will need to do is just gently start prying this away. Typically those locking tabs will break off. We'll have a look along the brand new one so you can see where all of your locking tabs are located. Those will make their way across. Now with that said, to make your way in between this area with a plastic trim tool, you're going to have to gain a little bit of access using a pocket screwdriver. We'll just carefully try to pry this away enough that we can continue on with something plastic. We don't want to cause any damage here. We'll continue making our way around. Once again, we're paying very close attention not to cause any damage to the rest of our mirror that we are not replacing. There we are. That will pop out of place. We'll have a look along the back side. I can still see my locking tabs. They just popped off, and that's fine. At this point, we can set this aside and continue on to cleaning up our mirror and giving a close inspection. All right, now we can put on our mirror cap. Looking along the back side of the mirror cap, we have all those locking tabs that will fit into their corresponding holes on the mirror itself. Go ahead and align that and press it into position. Just squeeze each of these areas together. Double check to make sure it's seated all the way around. Okay friends, we've got our vehicle back together. At this point, hop inside the passenger compartment and set the mirror to your personal preference. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.